Welcome to my channel Avidas Maths. Today I am going to discuss another set of reasoning. Here I have written some questions. Number 1. In a certain code ABOVE is written as CAQUG. How is BELOW written in that code? Options are given: DCNMY, DDMNY, DDNMX, DDNNY. ABOVE is written as CAQUG. ABOVE. Here A for C, B, A, O, in place of O, Q, in place of V, U, in place of E, G. Now you have to find the code of BELOW. BELOW. Which is similar as ABOVE. A, B, next C. Here B, next C, next D. That means in place of B, you have to write D. B, A. Before B, A. Here E, that means before E, D. D, D, D. O, next P, next Q. L, next M, next N. For V, U. That means before V, U is there. Before O, N. E, F, G. Here W, X, Y. That means for W, in place of W, you have to write Y. The option is D, D, N, N, Y. D, D, N, N, Y option is correct option. Next question. If plus means into, minus means plus, into means divide, and divide means minus, then the value of 12 into 2 plus 6 minus 7 divide 5. 12 plus means into. Your symbol is given into. Into means divide. That means you have to write in place of into, divide. Divide 2 plus. Next plus. Plus means into. Plus means into. Next minus. Minus means plus. Plus. Next 7 divide. Divide means minus. Divide means minus. Minus 5. Now you have to apply Bodmas rule. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. Divide. Here divides are given, multiplication also given, but you have to divide first. 12 divide to 6 into 6 plus 7 minus 5. 6 into 6 36 plus 7 minus 5. 36 plus 7 43 minus 5 equal to 38. So option 38 option is correct option. Next question is, in a certain code, range is called water. Range is called water. Water is called air. Air is called cloud. Cloud is called sky. Sky is called sea. Sea is called road. Where do the aeroplanes fly? Here quotes are given. Rains is called water. Rains. Rains called water. Water called air. Air called cloud. Cloud called sky. Sky called sea. Sea called road. Quotes are given in this way. Rains is called water. Water is called air. Air is called cloud. Cloud is called sky. Sky is called sea. Sea is called road. Where do the aeroplanes fly? Aeroplanes fly in the sky. That means sky called sea. Here C option is correct option. I think all of you understood my class. I will give next part in the next class. Thank you for watching.